The SpectraLight QC allows you to create custom profiles based on specific requirements for light sources and illumination levels and to ensure proper lamp use and accurate lamp settings. You can even create individual operator profiles to log their Munsell hue test scores. With the SpectraLight QC's PC-based application, you can share information on customer preferences for instrument settings and operator visual acuity as often as necessary to reduce inconsistencies and increase compliance. More information about this robust application is available in your user guide. The SpectraLight QC allows you to create up to 16 custom profiles with custom lamp buttons, lamp lux values, locations, and auto sequences. To create a custom profile, from the main menu, press and hold the More button until you see Setup. Press Admin to access the Advanced Setup 1 screen. Then press More to access the Advanced Setup 2 screen. Press Profile to get to the Profile List screen. From here, you can create a profile by copying the factory profile or copying an existing profile. You can also delete or edit an existing profile. Let's start by creating a new one by copying and editing a factory profile. Use the up and down arrows to highlight Factory, then press Copy. Using the arrows, highlight the next available free location for your new profile. Press Paste, then Yes. Edit the profile name using the arrows and the Enter button. Now, you can edit this factory profile to meet your needs. Set lamp lux values, enable and disable lamp switches, move select locations, and set auto sequence. If you need more information about these categories or the specific steps, you can find it in your user manual. When you're all done, press Exit. You can do the same with a custom profile. Highlight the profile and press Copy. This profile will be used as the template for the new profile. Use the up and down arrows to select a location for the profile. This can be a free location, or you can overwrite an existing profile. Press Paste, then Yes. Edit the name, then edit the parameters. You can access your new profiles from the User Settings screen. Later, you'll learn how the SpectraLight QC can generate profile information as a report, which you can share with your supply chain to identify any inconsistencies.